game between Team Charlie and Team Alpha. A 12-minute game each quarter. Jump ball between Anayahan and Gonzalez. Anayahan setting the play for line. Pass to Isa. Baseline jump. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Control the ball. Steal by Alphavio. Number 6 to Boo. No good. Rebound again by Gonzalez. Pass to number 18. Panopio. Bagong gupit. Carl setting the play for Dart. Balitaan. No good. Rebound by 18 to Mr. Android Anyayahan. No good lang pass. Insha. Follow up. No good. Rebound by Castillo to Mr. Panopio. Panopio now to Ordonez. Loses the ball to Balitaan. Balitaan. Floater. No good. Rebound by Balitaan. No good. Rebound by Boo. Wala pa rin score. Francis. Boo. Number 11. Setting the play. 16. To number 18, takes the 3, no good. Rebound by Panopio. On the run now, Panopio. Panopio still. Pinasa kay Ordonez. Ordonez tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by Altavino. Loses the ball, but recovered by number 16, Andreahan. Pinasa kay Incha. Drumay, no good. Rebound by Castillo to Panopio. Panopio now. Panopio, Drumay. No good. Balitaan, baseline. No good pa rin. May harang po ang ring. Gonzalez. Balitaan. Drumay. Kasha whistle. At traveling violation by number 23. 10 minutes on the game time. To number 11. Nagmamadali. Drumay. Loses the ball. Same ball. Incha, to Boo. Binalik, nakuha ni Panopio. Panopio now. Pinasa kay Balitaan. Balitaan. Tumay. Block by number 16. Recovered by Mr. Castillo. To Panopio. Napaibig ng 3 points. No good. Nakuha ni Ordonez. Setting the play. Set now. Set. Binalik kay Mr. Jesse Balitaan. Balitaan. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Binigay kay Ordonez, 4 on the time. Panopio, no good. Rebound by Mr. Anyayahan. Ayan na, si Anyayahan. Anyayahan provide. No good pa rin, Anyayahan. There's a whistle. Who's foul? Foul number 18, sorry. 2 shot for Mr. Anyayahan. Wala pa rin score. Ano yan? First throw. Basket down. Ano yan? Second throw. Completed the 2-point play. Ordonez. Binigay kay Gonzalez to Castillo. 2-0 our score. After 3 minutes of play. Castillo. Ordonez. Jump shot. On the ball, Mr. Ordonez from Saudi Linda. Boo. Ipinasa kay Incha. Sa gitna, Albino. Good for 2 points. Castillo, bring the ball. Panopio now. Binalik kay Castillo. Setting the play for Dart. Ordonez, binalik kay Castillo. 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Altavino. On the break, binigay kay Anyayahan. Anyayahan pumihit. 2-point by Mr. Android Anyayahan. Panopio now. Bring the ball for Dart. 6 to our score. Binigay kay Balitaan. Binigay kay Panopio. Castillo. Ordonez. Nag-iisip kung 3 points. 10 on the shot clock. Balitaan. Takes the drive. Floater. In and out. Nakuha ni Nagbo. Boo. Pinasa kay intercepted by number 18. Panopio on the run now. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Castillo. Ordonez baseline shot. No good pa rin. 11. Binato. Binato kay Castillo is a light ball. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng manonood. Huwag po tayong magsiksikan. Boom! Insha. Tumisura na yahan. Magbuhos ang 3-point lane. No good. Rebound by Altavino. No good for the follow-up. Nag-agawan ng bola. Light ball by our referee. 7 minutes on the game time. 12 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Francis Bodrumay. Reverse shot. No good. Dark ball by our referee. Last touch by number 11. 7 minutes on the game time. 6 to our score. Castillo. For the guard. Binalik kay Carl. Castillo, Drumay. Nilabas kay Balitaan. To make Drumay. 2 points by Mr. Scoring Champ. Balitaan. May ibibida na naman mamaya. Anyayahan. Setting the play for Light. Drumay. Nilabas kay Insha. Boarding shot. No good rebound. Napunta kay Anyayahan. Takes the 2. In and out. Good for 2 points by Melvin. Anyayahan. Balitaan ang darang now. Balitaan. Balitaan. Na-steal ni Anyayahan. Anyayahan on the break. Takes the drive. 2 points by Mr. Anyayahan. 10 for our score. 6 on the clock. Castillo. Pinasa kay Gonzales. 16 on the shot clock. Panopio. On the arc. Takes the drive. Drumay. 2 points by Mr. Mandatory substitution. Time out. 10-6 our score in favor of Light. There's a whistle, a technical foul, technical violation for Qatar in wearing improper uniform. Technical foul number 16 for not wearing the proper uniform. Basket down for the technical. See, Agons. Light ball. 11-6 our score. Number 15. Back to Agoncillo. 2-point shot over. Rebound by number 76. So there's a steal by number 15. Robles takes the baseline shot. No good. Rebound by Gayon. Gayon, control the ball for Dark. Tumatakbo na Gayon. The-drive kaya. Pinasa kay Sandoval. Sandoval. Pinasa kay Tumambing. Nag-agawa ng bola na punta kay Robles. On the break now. Pinasa sa number 23. Boarding shot. In and out. Dark ball by our referee. 5 and 10 on the time. 11-6 on our board. Sandoval for the Dark. Pinasa kay Gayon. On the arc. To number 76. To Sandoval. There's a whistle. A traveling call by our referee. To number 9. Light ball. Agoncillo for the white. Setting the play. To Carandang. Takes the arc. Is an air ball. Dark ball. 11-6 our score. Sandoval. Nagmamadali. Pinatay ng dalawa. Nakalusot. Binigay kay Gayon. Gayon. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by number 23. To Enen Agoncillo. Side stepping. Agoncillo. 2 points by Agoncillo. 13-6 our score. 4 minutes on our game time. Sandoval. Nagbababa ng bola para sa Dark. Sandoval. Binigay kay Tumambing. There's a whistle. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 15. Pushing foul. First team foul for the Light. Tumambing. Inbounding the ball for Dark. Pinasa. Top by number 23. Same ball. Dark ball. 3 minutes on our clock. To number 67. Sandoval, getting the play. Gayon, Flores. Sa baseline, there's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul on number 15. Robles, hitting foul. Second team foul for Light. Gayon. Takes a drive. It's an air ball. Nakuha na Doncillo. Pass play to number 23. No good. Rebound by Sandoval. Sandoval na nagmamadali. Sandoval umikot. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Doncillo. For the Light. Robles setting the play. To Karandang. Karandang. Side stepping. 2-point by Karandang. Our big man. 15-6 our score. 2 minutes 20 seconds on the game time for the first quarter. Sandoval. Gayon to 76. Last touch by number 15, Sable. Hindi pa po nakakascore ang Dark for the last 4 minutes of the game. Gayon takes the 3-point shot. 3 points. Ichi Gayon. 59 our score. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds on the game time. Agoncillo, Pinawi. 3 points, Agoncillo. 18-9, 1 and 40 on the game time. Sandoval setting the play. Sandoval now. To Gayon. Sidestepping. Pass to number 23. There's a whistle. Push foul rep. Foul number 16. Holding foul for Mr. Tumambing. 3-team foul for Karandang. Napunta sa ilalim. One minute on the clock. 89 our score. Karandang pumihit. No good. Rebound by Gayon. 55 on the clock. Nagmamadali si Gayon. Gayon driving. 2-point by Mr. Gayon. 18-11 our score. Almost a steal by Flores. Agoncillo now. Karandang napaibig sa 3. No good. Rebound by Gayon. 35 seconds on the game time. Same ball. 32.7. 18-11 ang score. 30 seconds. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Gayon. Nakuha ang bola. Tumambing. Pinasa. Nakuha ni Flores. Nilabas. Same ball. 19.4. 7 on the shot clock. 19 seconds left in the first quarter. 7 on the shot clock. Flores. Pinato kay Sandoval. Tumat sa gitna. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakuha. There's a whistle. Foul on number 8. Fouls for the Dark. 13 seconds on the game time. Agoncillo. 10 seconds. Robles. Binalik kay Agoncillo. 7 on the clock. 4 seconds. Trumay. Pinasa ng ilalim. Karandang. 3 points by Karandang. Buzzer beater by Mr. Karandang. 21-11 our score. End of the first quarter. A steal Castillo, setting the play for Clark. Balitaan, pinalik ni Castillo. Hinihingi ni Ortones, tumira ng tres. Sala, nakuha ni Balitaan. Nice steal ni Po. 11 on the run now. 3 on 1, pinasa kay Anyayahan. 2 point by Mr. Android Anyayahan. 23-11 ang score. Gonzales, binigay kay Castillo. Balitaan, pinalik kay Castillo. Pinasa kay Panopio. Panopio on the baseline. Ortones takes the two. No good pa rin. Ang gawa ng bola po kay Castillo. 2 point by Mr. Castillo. Nakuha ng pinakamalaki sa loob ang rebound. Aldovino to Booth. To Aranza. To Booth. Binigay kay Magbo. Takes the three. No good. Nakuha ni Aranza on baseline. 2 point by number 8. 25-13 our score. Panopio bringing the ball for Dart. Binigay kay Balitaan. Panopio setting the play for Dart. Castillo. Panopio from my river shot. There's a whistle. Basket count. Foul on number 11. Foul on number 11. Bonus shot for Mr. Panopio. 25-15 our score. Bonus shot completed. The end one by Mr. Point Guard. Ano niya, ipinalik kay Bu. 10 and 25 on the time. Anayahan. Setting the play for life. Aldovino on the top of the key. Drive sa gitna. 2 point by Mr. Aldovino. Our season 1 typical first team. Paanyaya. Panopio. Intercepted by Melvin Anyayahan. Nagmamadali si Melvin. Pinatay Aldovino. No good. Anyayahan, tunik. There's a whistle. There's a foul call by our referee. Foul number 18. Pushing foul. 2 free throw for Mr. Anyayahan. First team foul by Light. First throw. No good by Mr. Melvin Anyayahan. Second throw for Mr. Anyayahan. Basket down. 28-16 our score. Castillo, binababa ang bola para sa third. Binigay kay Panopio. Panopio now. Balitaan, top of the key, through my floater. Good for 2 points by Mr. Balitaan. Our scoring MVP last season. Boom, binigay kay Magpo. Baseline drive. There's no reason na kuha ni Panopio. Panopio, pinato. Intercepted by Anyayahan. Binigay kay Bu. Bu on the run out. Top of the key. Side stepping. 2 points by Mr. Francis Bu. 32-18 our score. Panopio. Side stepping. Pinasa kay Gonzales. On the board. 2 point by Mr. Dennis Gonzales. 10-point lead. Now, by the line. Anyayahan. Pinasa kay Aranza. Binigay kay Aldovino. Pull-up jumper. 2 point by Mr. Aldovino. Castillo. 8 and 44 on the time. Castillo on the top of the key. Ortones. Napaibig ng 3 points. Sala. Nakuha ni Magpoo. Takes the ball. Nakuha ni Aranza. 3-on-1 situation. Aranza to Anyayahan. 2 points by Anyayahan. Good keeper. Castillo. Sa gitna, binigay kay Gonzales. No good. Rebound by Boto. Aldovino. On the run now, Aranza. Baseline drive. No good. Agawan sa bola, napunta kay Balitaan. Balitaan now. Cross opening. Pinasa kay Gonzales. Still by Aldovino to Anyayahan. By stepping. 2 point by Mr. Anyayahan. 16-point lead by Light. Balitaan. Diretso kaya niya. Balitaan, diniretso nga. Same ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Ordonez inbounding the ball for Card. To Gonzalez. To Castillo. Takes the 3-point. No good rebound by Card. Reverse shot. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Aranza. To Pu. Pu ngayon tumatakbo. Binigay kay Alfred Pino. Binalik sa gitna. Dark ball. By our referee. To 21 now, bringing the ball. 7 minutes on the clock. Nilabas kay Ordonez. Ordonez, free throw lane, no good. Rebound by Aranza. Altobino now, still by 18 by Ordonez. To Castillo, 2-point by Castillo. Completed the play for the Dark. Saved by Anayahan. 6 minutes and 42 on the clock. Anayahan setting the play for life. Boo. Bumiretso sa gitna. Boo. Sidestepping, 2-point by Mr. Francis Boo. 38-22. 6 and 30 on the clock. Panokyo sa ilalim. Castillo, reverse shot. Block by the board. Panokyo now. 3-point shot. A 3-point. Panokyo. Mandatory substitution for the second quarter. It's a
Walang player?
hello no. No good. Long one, no good. Rebound. Here comes Team Black. Team Dark pala. Drive. Looking. 14 on the shot clock. Puts it up with the foul. Foul number 25. Sets up the play. One hand pass, 14 to shoot, puts up the jumper, short in the middle to rebound. Here comes Team Dark. Number 16 with the ball. 8 with the ball. Number 9, 10 to shoot, 9 for 3, no good. Here comes Team Light. Driving. There's going to be a foul on number 16. First shot's good. Two for two. Long one, no good. Rebound by Team Light. Goes with it against 3 members. There's going to be another foul. Foul number 16. That's your third personal foul. Nagmadali, lumipad, no good. Rebound by Team Life. Here comes 25, bounce pass, inside, no good. Offensive rebound with the foul. Basket count, foul number 67. Number 1 will achieve that 3-point play. On the shot clock. Here comes number 25. 25. Foul number 67, penalty. Mandatory substitution, injured po, papalitan po. Sige po, pasok po, pasok. First shot's good. Two for two. Here comes Team Black. 67, pass, 14 to shoot. He gets a little closer, short. Rebound by Team White. Number 25, bounce pass. Kicks it out, 25, he gets a good look. No good. Rebound by number 16. 16 chasing ahead. Turnover. Throws it up. Driving. Attacks the basket. Kicks it out. 25. Pass. Jumper. Good. Number 67. There's going to be a foul on number 15. Warning for penalty. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Team White. Here comes number 25, pass. Fake, spin, pass, no good. Kanya de la rebound, no good. Here comes Team Dark. It's a 3-on-1 in the pass break. No good. Another turnover. Both inside their penalty situation. Fourteen to shoot. He drives, no good. Hits the top of the glass. Here comes number 16. Butter in hands, number 25. Gets a visit. Pass inside. 2 points. (49-25) in favor of the light ones. 16 with the ball. 14 to play. 10 to shoot. 9 makes his move. 9 attacks. Ball will go back to Team White. Here comes number 5. This one's mine. 2 points. Number 9 with the ball. Pass. He gets a good look. In and out. Rebound by Team White. Pass inside. Gets the ball back. Pass inside, 2 points. 45 seconds. Number 9 attacks the basket, 2 points. 35 seconds. Number 23 looking. Bounce pass, 25, patiently setting up the play, 14 to shoot. Picks it up, left wing, in and out. No more shot clock, 20 seconds, 14 block. And there's going to be a foul on number 25, penalty. No shots, no good. 17 seconds in this first half. Seconds. 10 seconds. White with the recover. He stops and pops. No good. 4 seconds. He goes long. 9 with the catch. 9 for 3. Bang! 2 points. Long to lang. Third period. Team White leading by 23 points. Is still agad ng Team Black. It's a 2-on-1. 2 points. White with the ball. 11 sets up the play. 11 looking. 14 to shoot. Corner shot, no good. Here comes Team Black. There's going to be a foul on number 16. Long one, no good. Nagalapan ng bola. 9, no good. Rebound finally by Team White. Throws it up ahead. Is that save ball, save ball. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Right wing, bounce pass. Inside is foul. Foul on number 1. First personal foul. First. Two for 2. Here comes Team Black. Corner shot, no good. Rebound by Team White. 11 sets up the play. Looking, pass inside. 14 to shoot. 2 points. 67. 67. 6-7. Team White with the ball, leading by 23 points, 14 to shoot. Pass inside, 10 to shoot. He is fouled by number 1. Third personal foul, second team foul. Last draw. Pass, 40 to shoot. Ball will go back to team 1. Long one, 3. Team Black, 40 to shoot, babawi. No good. Rebound by Team 1. May step ahead. Kanila pa rin ang bola. Driving. Side step. Meron tayong foul kay number 9. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul for Team Black. First shot's good. Castro. Logan in second. To shoot. Corner shot. No good. Rebound by White. Nagmadali. 2 on 2. 2 points. Here comes Team Black. He gets a good look. He sets his play. That's good. 2 points. Is 50. Kanila pa rin ang bola. 14 to shoot. Pass inside. Fake. Spin. Puts it up. No good. Rebound. No good. Isa pa. 2 points. Foul number 26. Corner shot, no good. On the way, 2 points. Driving, one hand, 2 points. 6-7. To shoot. Steps out of bounds. Ball will go back to Team Black. Team Black with the ball. Driving, takes it out. Drive, gets a little closer. No good. Put back, intercept. There's going to be a foul or number. 26. That's your second personal foul. 13 foul. Last throw. Inbound violation. Head to shoot. Drive. Agawan Buko. Foul number 18. Mandatory substitution.
Para kasi
18, that's your first. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team White sets up the play. 14 on the shot clock. Pass inside. 10 to shoot. Salamat sa ilaw. Here comes Steve Black. Double team. He needs some help. Meron tayong foul by number 23. Both teams under penalty situation. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 21 takes it out. 22 with the wall. Lost it. Here comes the White 2 points. Number 16 pass to number 21. 14 on the shot clock. Corner shot. No good. Here comes Team White. 23. Pass. 3. No good. Kanila pa rin ang rebound. 14 to shoot. Team Black sets up the play. Pass to number 21. 14 to shoot. 21 makes his move. 21 for 3. No good. Here comes Team White. Pass. 15. Kicks it out. That's going to be a turnover. Drive. Denied. 14. Steal. Pass. Walang tao. Foul number 16. Penalty. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. No good on both free throws. Here comes Steve Black. Pass inside. Bounce pass. Almost lost the ball. Pass inside. 23. No good. Ball will stand again with Team White. On the shot clock. Pass to the right wing. Corner shot. No good. That's an air ball. Here comes Team Black. 16. Passes it. Spin. 23. No good. Put back 21. 2 points. Here comes number 1. Against 2. He is fouled. Foul number 16. Penalty.
16 lang ito ah. Iba na. Yung 16 na down. Isa na yung labas na nagalawa. Dalawa kasi number nila 16.
Okay po. Okay. 15 on the shot clock. Looking, 14 to shoot, 21, Spain lost the ball. Here comes Team White. This is mine. 2 points. To shoot. Number 23. 10 to shoot. 76. No good. Save. The ball will go back to Team White. Traveling violation. With the ball, driving. There's going to be a foul on number 15, penalty. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for conduct. White leading by 29 points. 23 with the ball. 40 to shoot. Inside number 1. No good. The rebound by number 76. Throws it up in the air. 21 with the catch. 2 points.
Ano concern?
No good. Put back 2 points. Final seconds. Here comes 16. No good. 5 seconds remaining. Counted, it goes. No good. For period, black ball. Fourth and final period. Long one, number 9. That's no good. Here comes Team White. Pass inside. No good. Kanila pa rin ang rebound. 10 to shoot. Drive. Gets away. 2 points. Number 9, pass. Balik kay number 9 to the left corner. Bounce pass by 21. 21 for 3. In and out. Rebound by Team White. No good on that one. 14 to shoot for Team White. Can you do the rebound? 10 to shoot. Pass inside, 5 to shoot, gets a shot off, 4 points! Team Black with the ball, 14 on the shot clock. Pass, corner, 3! Offensive foul on number 11. 11. 10 to shoot. Corner shot again. No good. Here comes team 1. Gets it in from the backcourt. Shot clock down to 14 seconds. Pass inside. Fake. Kicks it out. 10 to shoot. Steps back. No good. Rebound by team White. Basket with the foul. Number 7. 7, that's your first personal foul. First foul. Fourteen to shoot. Pass inside. Lost the ball. Is steal by Team White. Recover by number. Corner shot. No good. Rebound again. Number 5. Bounce pass. Denied! 14 on the shot clock. Number 11. 10 to shoot. Jumper. Short. Rebound by Team Black. Pass inside. It's a 2-on-1. 2 points. Inside. 2 points. Team Black with the ball. Derecho. Traveling violation. 86-51 in favor of Team 1, 35-point lead. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Pass inside. 5 on the shot clock. Gets a shot off. 2 points. Here comes Team Black. Number 9 with the drive. 14 to shoot against 3 members. Kicks it out. He needs some help. Jumper. That's good. Is still. Pass. 1-on-1. No good. Foul number 11. Third personal foul, second big foul. Shot clock down to 18. Is still by Team White. That's going to be for the ball possession of the men in white. White leading by 35 points. 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Puts it up. No good. Rebound by Team Black. Lost it to Team White. Team White sets up the play. 14 on the shot clock. Pass inside. No good. Against 3 members. Mandatory substitution. Team Black 67 pass to 23 to number 76. 76. No good. Rebound by Team Black. Kay White.
Boss, time out lang.
14 on the shot clock. 25. Pass. Left, right wing. Takes the shot. Hits. 3. Timeout. Team Black. Left wing, that's good, 3. He's in trouble, gets away from the backboard. 14 on the shot clock. Foul on number.
Number 88.
Substitution.
Number 8.
8 out, 21 in. Two points. Sixty-seven pass, drive inside, no good. Rebound, team one. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to the corner. Intercept. 5 to shoot. Is still by Team Black. Number 9. There's going to be a foul on number 25. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Looking, pass, intercept, takes the shot, no good. Here comes T1. 14 on the shot clock, number 1, inside, 2 points. Alley pass, 2 points. Still, 23, akin na to. 2 points. Steal again by Black. Foul number 23. Timeout, team 1. 2 free throws for number 6, 7. Shots moving. Last go. Pass inside, bounce back. 23 steal by number 21, plus 9. 2 points by number 23, galing kay number 9. Steal again, 23, intercept, steal by number 1, pass to 25, inside, no good. Battle for the loose ball. 14 to shoot. 9, pass. 3, no good. Rebound by Team White. Here comes number 23. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Pass inside. 2 points. Pass inside. Lost the ball. On the shot clock. 23, side step, no good. Kanya din ang rebound, kicks it out, open na open, no good. Offensive rebound again, and there's a foul on number 67. First shot's good for number 1. For 2. Inside 2 points. Is still 1 minute to play, 2 points. Pass inside. Extra pass. No good. Rebound number 23. Driving. Derecho. 2 points. No. 2 points. Again. Here comes 23. 2 points. Again. 15 seconds. Number 1, pass. No good. 5 seconds remaining. Number 9. No good. End of regulation. 103-71. Team White win.
Picture na. Ito yung first tag mo natin sa